is Samuel Mwadhi, founder and CEO of Elrathy Farms and Consults Limited. We are building a data-driven and sustainable feed system to empower Dopa and Maasai sheep farmers in arid Kenya.
Across Kenya, smallholder sheep farmers face poor genetics, unreliable feed, low productivity, and limited access to premium markets. Most farmers remain trapped in low-income cycles. To deal with these problems at Elrathy, we integrate quality genetics, local feeds production, digital data systems, and farmers training. This allows farmers to increase productivity, reduce costs, and meet export standards. Looking at the market opportunity, it shows that the East African meat and fodder market is worth over $8 billion. The urban demand is growing and Gulf countries are sourcing more from Africa. At Elrathy, we generate revenue through feed production, sheep sales, digital subscriptions, and farmers training. By controlling feed, our biggest cost, we grow profitably as we scale. Since 2018, we have registered and built infrastructure, received World Bank support, and trained hundreds of farmers. Our next milestone is onboarding 1,000 digital farmers. Only Elrathy combines genetics, local feeds, digital systems, and training. We also have long-term fodderland leases, proprietary systems, and a strong farmer network. Our team brings over 70 years of combined experience in fodder, finance, livestock, climate finance, and agribusiness.
Technical, investment, and knowledge partnership to scale to impact. We want to increase number of Dopa sheep crosses. We also want to increase our feed hubs and fodder hubs. We want to introduce adapted traceability application, and also we want to increase the number of farmers.